Have you ever wondered what truly makes a project team successful? In many cases, it's not just about the tasks. It's about how the team collaborates. Today, we'll explore the vital role of a project manager as a facilitator. Let's dive in step by step to understand how this works. First, a project manager enables the project team to work effectively. They create conditions that allow collaboration and synergy to flourish. The manager does not take on every task, it's the team's responsibility. Instead, they offer support and a framework for effective communication. Next, good facilitators provide structures for interaction between groups. This helps teams function smoothly, even when challenges arise. The goal: exceptional performance from the project team and beneficiaries. A project manager encourages full participation from everyone involved. They promote mutual understanding between the team and the beneficiaries. Shared responsibility among all stakeholders drives success. The facilitator role becomes crucial, especially with beneficiaries involved. Here, the project manager has no authority over them. Instead, they need to create an environment of trust. This trust encourages beneficiaries to share ideas freely. When beneficiaries feel comfortable, valuable insights emerge. The project manager helps uncover solutions to meet project objectives. For example, imagine a project manager planning a community initiative. They must ensure that community members feel welcome to contribute. Through workshops, they facilitate discussions that lead to great ideas. As a result, the project aligns with the community's genuine needs. In summary, a project manager as a facilitator drives collaboration. They enable teams to reach exceptional performance through support and trust. By fostering an open environment, every voice can be heard. So, if you're a project manager, think about your role as a facilitator. Consider how you can better support your team and stakeholders. Ready to harness the power of facilitation in your projects? Start by fostering that environment of trust today.